How to use aloe vera for hair growth.
Welcome to our video. Today, we're going to explore the benefits of aloe vera for hair growth. This natural solution is packed with essential nutrients and enzymes that can enhance the health of your hair and scalp, promoting faster and healthier hair growth. Let's dive in.
Why aloe vera?
Aloe vera is known for its vast health and beauty benefits. It contains proteolytic enzymes which help repair dead skin cells on the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. Not only that, but it can also help combat dandruff and itchy scalp due to its anti-inflammatory properties.
How to extract aloe vera gel.
Before we get into the application, it's important to know how to properly extract aloe vera gel from its leaf. You can purchase it from the store, but fresh is always best. 1. Select a thick, mature leaf from your aloe vera plant and cut it off with a sharp knife. 2. Stand the leaf upright in a cup to let the yellow latex, which can be irritating to the skin, drain away. 3. After about 10 to 15 minutes, lay the leaf flat and slice off the outer layer of the skin to expose the gel. 4. Use a spoon to carefully scoop out the clear gel, avoiding the yellow part near the skin. Remember to store the gel in an airtight container in the refrigerator if you won't be using it immediately.
How to apply aloe vera for hair growth.
Applying aloe vera gel to your hair is quite simple. 1. Start by washing your hair with a gentle shampoo to remove any oil and dirt. 2. Apply the aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and hair. Make sure to massage it into your scalp for a few minutes to stimulate blood circulation. 3. Once your scalp and hair are fully coated, leave the gel on for about 30 to 45 minutes. You can also leave it overnight for better results. 4. Rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for best results.
Are there any precautions to take?
While aloe vera is generally safe for most people, some might have an allergic reaction to it. Always do a patch test on your skin before applying the gel to your scalp. If you notice any redness, irritation, or itching, discontinue use immediately. And that's it. That's how you use aloe vera for hair growth. Incorporating this natural remedy into your hair care routine can lead to thicker, healthier, and more vibrant hair. Remember, consistency is key. It may take a few weeks to start seeing results, so be patient. We hope this video was helpful and that you'll enjoy the many benefits of aloe vera for your hair. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.